Eating tamarindo fruit is like eating nature's sour chewing candy. At the beginning, it's just a little bit sour, then it turns very sweet and delicious. That is why making tamarindo fresco, or this beverage, is such a great idea. Let's get started. Crack the tamarind out of the shell and remove the veins. Doing this can be relaxing and therapeutic for some, or stressful and annoying for others. If you're the latter, go buy yourself some tamarind paste at the Asian store and skip this step. Take a look at my hands. This is proof of how sweet it is. So sticky and sour at the same time. Add 2 cups of water to the peeled tamarind and use a blender or a potato masher if you don't want to use your hands. But this is how I've been making tamarind juice since I was a kid. What you're doing is kind of giving the pods a massage to release all of their flavor. There are seeds inside, and those seeds are covered with a thin layer that has a lot of flavor, and you want all of that. You could also cook your tamarind, and the process of releasing the pulp would be faster. But for a beverage, I don't like the flavor of cooked tamarind. It loses its freshness. It can be delicious for some recipes, but for fresco de tamarindo, no. I don't cook it. I just massage it for about 3 to 4 minutes and let it sit and soften for 10 to 15 minutes. When you come back to it, you will notice how thick it is. That means the massage worked. See, those are the seeds I was telling you about. Bring another bowl and a sifter and strain it. You'll see those seeds still have a lot of flavor, so we will repeat the process. Add 1 more cup of water, massage it again, and let it rest for about 10 minutes. You can also leave it overnight in the fridge. It will release the flavor the same way with less effort, but it'll take longer. While it's resting, I will show you the brand I'm using. It's super easy to find it at your local Asian or Latino stores. Strain it 1 more time and repeat 1 last time. You'll notice that this time the water is clearer than before, which means there's no much flavor left in the pods or seeds. Strain it 1 last time and squeeze as hard as you can. If you want to add more water, you can, but 4 cups of water per 1 pound of tamarind is more than enough. Look how beautiful this tamarind concentrate looks. Such a vibrant color. I love it. Add sugar to your concentrate and stir it for a few seconds to dissolve it. This concentrate or pulp can last up to 2 weeks in your fridge. Whenever you're ready to use it, pour plenty into a pitcher, add water, and stir. I had to stir mine with a butter knife because my spoon wouldn't fit, but also adjust your juice by adding more pulp or water to your liking. Once your tamarind juice is delicious, let's serve it for a fancy lunch, breakfast, or dinner. Cut your lemons or limes into slices, not too thick and not too thin, and try to slice them straight. Add plenty of ice to a glass, tuck in a few slices next to the ice, and pour over your fresco de tamarindo. It is very common in Costa Rica, every time you're having a big meal like lunch or dinner, for you to have a glass of any type of fruit juice. In this case, we're doing tamarindo juice. If there is any other juice or fresco you would like to see, let me know in the comments. And if this is your first time in this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss out any other delicious recipes like this one. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.